Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tafaldi Goes Modworks. And here we have an inbox review for you here. Japanese medium tank type 97, the Chiha. 1/35 scale military miniature series number 75. Again, Tamiya kit. It's number 75 and it's built in 1975. There we go. Oops. Focus. Oh well, never mind. Yep. So I picked this up off Amazon, which is a bit of a shock because it's taped shut. So I'm sorry if I sound distracted. The Mama's pulled her old party trick of shitting herself. So yeah. So in the box, lots of parts. I'll just pull the air cable out of here because I'm going to knock it otherwise. Has rubber band tracks, quite nicely made. There. One, two, three bags. Decals, which we won't worry about, and instructions, one in English, one in Japanese. So we'll get the English version out. So traditional bit of history of the Chiha. Okay, so we've got to go inside for this. So rarity, a sprue call out. And then we've got to build up wheels there. Assemble sort of the suspension. And fit the wheels there. Then they show quite a nice setup channel wheel setup. Building up the top of the upper hull. Can they call it the upper hull? Still building up the upper hull. Fitting the machine gun. Yada yada. Building up the turret. Again, showing the figure there. Turret open, the turret open or closed there. Fitting the gun barrel. Fitting the machine gun. And then filling about with the tracks there, so you got to weld them. So yeah, and that's it. That's her built. Camouflage. So we've got khaki, dark red, brown, dark green, and yellow. So it's quite an interesting camo scheme. Again, all the different versions of the vehicle. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vehicles. Again, and explaining the bit of history for it. So there you go. Well, that's a quick look at the instructions done. And now we'll open the bags. So there's the upper turret. Upper hull, sorry. Again, nicely made. Again, for a 1975 tool, there's absolutely zero flash on it. Let's get the lower hull out. That's 1975 and 1987 on that piece there, on the lower hull, on the bathtub hull. And there we go. Very nice too. And then we'll open up this bag. It's got multiple sprues in here, so we'll have to be careful. And it's got polycaps hiding in the bag. So put those in. I'll put those in the box. Again, nothing in the bag. And then we'll have a look at the sprues. So get off the turret first. Again, nicely moulded. A little bit of a... Actually, that's well detailed there. I do beg your pardon. Even got the number of the part there. And there's some more polycaps. They're breeding. So that's the turret looked at. This is a B sprue. A little bit of flash here and a little bit of flash on the machine gun. But nothing to write home about. A little bit of flash on there. Again, a few swipes of a sanding stick, it should be fine. A little bit of flash on the ejector pins. But for a 50-year-old kit, I seem to have been having a theme of 50-year-old kits here. Nice little rope detail made up there. A little bit of scrape cleaning and a little bit of Tamiya extra thin on it. It should make it really nice. There are the exhausts. Nice lot of suspension there. This is the A sprue, which is the wheels. Got all the wheels and the drive sprockets and the idler wheels here, and return rollers. Again, nicely moulded. A little bit of seam on the edge, but a few seconds scrapage and it'll sort it out. A little bit of flash on the drive sprockets, but that's not a problem. Not a problem. And there we go. And finally, the C sprue. Again, it has a couple of figures. Again, nicely moulded. The aerial mast, as it were, so it's very similar to the Type 20 T-28, but from the Soviet Union. That's quite similar to the I can't remember which ones it is. But anyway, so you've got a lot of little deals: binoculars, pickaxe, shovel, crowbar, a very nasty looking bayonet there, bits of the hull, bits of the turret. Yeah, a lot of fun could be had with this kit. Poor driver's lost both his arms, but never mind. Again, that's a first. Handrail with a sprued gate, not right on the end, it's on the edge, so that's good. So that's a quick inbox review for you of Tamiya's Chiha in 1/35 scale. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.